Hey everyone, I am excited to show you what we got done today. I managed to implement an ARIA-compliant tree view for navigating the content of the website that you're working on. What is ARIA? ARIA means, well, ARIA stands for accessible, accessible rich internet applications. And so what that means is a website is set up such that differently abled users, maybe who can't use a mouse, for instance, and need to navigate a website in a different way, whether that's through the keyboard or some other means, can still use your website. And so what that meant in implementing this tree view, it means that I added a lot of keyboard support to navigate around. So up, down, left, right will all work. Up and down will just move up and down. Left will close anything that's open. You can see the carrots, these little carrots next to these, next to some of the terms means that it's expandable, or it means that it's expandable, and then which direction it's facing means whether it's expanded or not. So left and right will open them. And if something's already expanded, if you hit right, that'll go to the first child. Anytime you hit left, you'll go to the parent, and then you can hit left again to collapse the parent. If you hit spacebar or enter, you can just perform an action. The action that I have it performing is setting that as the active element that you're currently editing. So if I wanted to change the heading "How You Live In," I would hit spacebar on that, and then I could move on down, and I could add the G on there. And now I can move back up. Now we're back to editing here. There are some other things that you can do. The up, down, left, right are all pretty cool. Another one that is required when making this ARIA compliant is if you hit the asterisk. That will expand all of the items that are at the same level as where you're currently focused. So right now I'm focused on this heading. So if I hit the asterisk, I would expect this box to expand, I would expect this box to expand, and this layout box to expand. So I'll hit it, and they all expanded, which is good. Don't want it to break in a demo. I think the last main thing that I want to show you is that you can search based on the first letter of an element. So I'm currently focused on this heading "Hello There." If I hit P, that'll go to the next element looking down the list that starts with a P. So that's the paragraph. So I hit P there. If I hit P again, I'll move to the next. And then if you can't find anything after in the list, it'll just circle back up. So I would next expect this to go to this page root element at the top. There it is. So you can hit H, and that just helps for quicker navigation. If you wanted to edit that box at the bottom, you would just need to hit B 3 times, and then you can hit spacebar, and then you can edit it as you would like. If you hit a letter that's not there, I'm hitting S right now, and that just doesn't do anything, which is as expected. So on the one hand, I thought that this would already be pretty well implemented. I was surprised that I had to code this up from scratch in React, to be honest. I mean, there's some libraries out there that'll do a little bit of it, and Material UI has one that definitely works, but to use that, you have to kind of implement all of the styles in the way that they want you to implement their styles. So I use them as a jumping off board, and then this the actual docs on how to build this and what the rules are for having this be built and be ARIA compliant had a couple of good source files. They weren't in React, so I had to port them over to that, but I'm pretty happy with how it came out. And also on the plus side, I can still do drag and drop. So if I wanted to drag this paragraph, I'm still able to. So I'm really happy with how it came out overall. The only thing is there's not a way to, with the keyboard, do drag and drop just yet. I might try to add that, but I feel like that's going to open up a can of worms. But aside from that, really pleased with how it came out. I'm not sure what I'm going to work on just next, but that's a problem for Matthew to solve tomorrow. So thanks for checking this out. As always, click around on the website. Let me know if there's anything that you're seeing, anything that you want to talk about. I'd love to chat, love to hear from you. Thank you. Have a good day.